Hey, what's up everybody? Welcome to my channel, and today I'm really excited to be doing a unboxing of the new Traxxas TRX-4 Bronco. I've been waiting to get this kit ever since I saw that they're gonna release the TRX-4 with the Bronco body. Let's take a look at the packaging. So, front. Now the TRX-4 Bronco is ready to run. It comes in a sunrise scheme and also a red color scheme, and in this case you can see I got the red one. And here on the box just shows some of the features of the TRX-4. Alright, so let's open this sucker up. Alright, first thing you see is the transmitter. Take a good look at it. Steering trim, multifunction. Switch up here. So you see thumb switch, switch right here, and a switch up top here. Alright, let's take a look at the truck. Let's see what we've got. Manual with decals and some extra body pins. So there's a hex wrench. And a nice big trunk. Alright. Exciting. It's got two body pins holding the body onto the body off. Let's see, comes with a 21 turn 550 motor. Receiver box right there. ESC. And 4 servos, looks like. Servo there, servo here, and 2 servos right there. Portal axles, panhard right there. Really smooth shocks, but I mean, Traxxas is known for those, aren't they? Look at the links, metal links, plastic drive shafts, Canyon Trail 1.9 tires, got nice mud guards on here, which is kind of cool. Smooth. It's battery tray. Take a look at the body. So this red part here is decal, as is the sunrise version. Nice detail on the front grille there. Yeah, this is one of the cooler bodies, I think. So the looks like, yep, it looks like you could add lights here. Pretty good detail. See how it looks on the truck. That's beautiful. So I'll probably run it like this, stock, for a while. Another reason I actually wanted to get this truck is I'm really looking forward to that lift kit with the bigger tires that they showed off when they first introduced this truck or announced it. So I'll be looking out for those. I think they had a lift kit with 2.2 tires, so it'll be a cool truck to run. Thanks for watching.